Mutongoi wa ODM Raila Odinga niwalumiliilya vena vata mbunge ya Senate inengwe Vinya munene mbee wa mbunge ya kati nokana kuikiithya amwe mauthukumi mayo kwianana na katiba nimaendeeya vate kuvingiiswa. Raila ainenea mbungeni ya Senate umuthi itina wa kufika kikaloni kimwanya cha maseneta onthe kunenanisia yulu wa muyana wa serikali cia mitiuko niwaikiithya uthukumi katikati wa mbunge Nene na Senate withitwe na kau mwingi ivindani ya oyumituki na muno yila vena mitalatala ikukonia ilovia budget Mutongoi na uthukumi serikali ni cia mutiuko kilangaliko yesindana na ila ingi yulu wa nu ula wina Vinya munene beni mwaka nilivota witu wa kaunti ya Nairobi.
Mutongoi ya ODM Raila Odinga mweni mbunge na Senate kwa umuthi kikaloni kimwana cha maseneta kila kielelo kinene kunena nzeu wa budget na ilovila sia ile kuthi serikali ni cia county. Raila niwaelezea maseneta mena kiyo kingi.
It has been a general conversation. They have shared with me the challenges that they're facing as the House and the general problems that the entire country is experiencing. As you know that since 2013 we started real implementation of the new constitution. That is now 12 years, and within that 12 years we now know where the shoe is pinching, and the issue is how do we deal with these issues, because what we want is to have a country that is working.
Raila weta Senate ni ile kunengwa vina mwingi ona mbee wa mbunge Nene takuya Amerika nokana kuikiithya katiba uthukumi wo ni waila.
Parliament represent the people, and Parliament make the laws in the country, and Parliament also allocate resources in our country under the new constitutional dispensation. Senate need to play its role, just as the National Assembly also has a role to play. You know, we have got countries with a similar constitutional structure, and it works very well. So we'd like to see our Senate work just like the Senate of the United States of America is working, and give it proper powers and responsibilities. Yes. The same thing.
Ingi Raila no weta vethitwe na misukumano katetwa mbunge ile ati vena vata ithukume kwa mwana ukana kuikia serikali nene kithimine.
There have been teething problems in the House, and these are not unique to our country. You find similar issues in other countries as well. Now, we can manage them, we can manage the challenges that we are facing so that our country moves forward. So the National Assembly has also its sphere. And we say the National Assembly should do its work. And together, both National Assembly and the Senate form the Parliament. And Parliament's role is to represent, to legislate, and to oversight. The three functions are very important. The executive uses the laws that are passed by Parliament to govern the country, and judiciary interprets it. This is how we want it to be.
Bunge ya Senate ithitwe isukuma muno mbesa cia kaunti ciongelwe na shilingi billion thini wa budget imbia yukite nokana kuianisia mauthukumi maingi hala matiukitwe.
It has been a journey, but we still have a long way to go. Together we can succeed, and together we shall succeed. You have no option.
Vilingo wa mauvo kuma vamu sino ilovi nyanito wa Benjamin mwaka